Welcome to the part demonstration of remote control system of smart appliances based on the wireless communication. So here we are going to control the home automation based on the voice commands from the Bluetooth mobile phone. So in this version we added the Zigbee also. So means the main application of the Zigbee in this kind of project is if you want to control the devices in larger area. As a Bluetooth has a less distance communication range, so 10 to 20 meters maximum. So if you want to control the devices around 100 meters or 200 meters, then the voice commands from the mobile phone will be given to this HC05 Bluetooth module, and it will inform the same data to the receiver module through this Zigbee. So in real time we can use a multiple receivers and only one transmitter, because as we are using the Zigbee as a transceiver, so it can send the data to the multiple receivers, and the same data will be received by these receivers and will be given to the microcontroller. So here we are using 16F72 microcontroller, which will decode the data received by this Zigbee module at pin number B0, B1, and based on that commands getting from the Bluetooth through Zigbee, so that will be control these two devices. So these two are connected C6 and C7 pins directly here. So this whole system driven by the microcontroller. I'm repeating that, PIC16F72. On this motherboard we have the three major components. One is the reset switch to restart the microcontroller, and a crystal oscillator, so which will provide the 20 megahertz of clock frequency to the microcontroller. So the main purpose of this clock frequency is, so we provided the instructions inside the controller in embedded C language. Each instruction will be executed based on the clock pulse, one clock pulse per instruction. So we are providing 20 mega clock pulses per second, so controller can execute 20 mega instructions per second. So on this motherboard remaining is these two are the LED indications. One is the program indication and one other is the power status indication. So here the system will get the power supply from this regulated power supply board. So this is the input to the whole system, 230 volts AC. Parallelly we are distributing that to the loads through this electromagnetic relays. So this RPS consists of transformation, filtration and regulation, so rectification also. After these four steps we will get the 5 volts DC by providing the 230 volts AC input. So coming to this relay boards, so there we can see the two LEDs which will show the status of the relays and two transistors to on this relays. Means the flow of switching is controller will on this transistors BC547, transistor will on this relay will on the AC loads directly. So let us see the demonstration. Before on the kits we need to install this application in your phone, and right, so after installation you can on the power supply to the both modules. One is the transmitter module, okay, and the next receiver module. So when we on the transmitter module, there is a light indication on the HC05 Bluetooth module which will show there is no connection to this module. So now go to Bluetooth settings of your phone and search for the HC05 Bluetooth module. So right, so in that search for the new device HC05 will get that, connect to that. So it lost the password. So the password is always same 1234. So after that it will be in your history, and now next time onwards you can just go to the application directly. So when you're trying in first time in a mobile phone, you should pair that to the settings, and then after connect to our device, connect device, and then there will get the HC05 and pair to that. So on successful connection from the application, this light will be blinking rate slows down. Right, so now it was connected to a device, and then we can see the okay. Right, now it is paired and successfully. So now tap here, TV on. So here we are representing this load for the TV and this load for the light. Light on, light on, light off, TV off. Right, so like that, if in the real time we can place the one more module, and for that we will name them fan on, fan off. So now we are presenting this as a hall, so means we are going to control that through the mobile phone application. With unlimited distance we can go on the up to 200 to 300 meters. Right.